Hola amigos, esta es la tercera parte de videos de terror, así que vamos allá. Ya va a llegar Santa Claus, ya están preparados. Vamos con los videos.
Well, I was pouring my coffee. Please do not be something weird. I cannot take this shit. Been there and realized there is a light bulb, so I'm gonna show you what I found. If I can make it up here. These are some rickety freaking steps. That is some kind of a box. And I'm too scared to go get it. In the meantime, I will tell you all about my book, which is the reason what? Box. Oh, goodness. What do we got going on here? This is sturdy. Okay, it's a Christmas box. Oh, there's a handle. Is there another one? Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see what's in there. Oh, is that a fucking person? Okay, dust here now. Okay, there had to be a freaking doll in here. Oh, a candle. I love candles. Ornament. Another candle that was wrapped up for some reason. Okay. Cloth. 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 Very dirty cloth. This, somebody in the comments saw this last time and said that it's an Avon Bell perfume. So, okay. That's about it, besides the journal, which I kind of don't know if I should open, because what if it's got somebody's, personal secrets in it? We'll take a quick peek. We'll look at the first page. How about that? If it looks like it's going to have somebody's secrets in it, then we won't. I hear a loud banging in the garage. I go out there. The string is swinging on the attic door. So I go up there, shine a flashlight. There's a box up there. I go check out the box, open it up. There's this creepy doll. So I immediately drop it back in there, get out of there. Because it freaked me out. Wasn't expecting it. So anyway, I finally go through the contents of the box after I find the doll. And there's a journal in there, along with a bunch of little, like a marble and just some change and just a bunch of dirt and probably mouse poop and stuff. It's nasty. But the journal is weird. The journal is extremely, extremely weird. It's filled with a bunch of creepy drawings and some kind of code that's just a bunch of numbers. And I'm probably gonna need some help figuring it out. I don't know what's going on. But that's what's going on. Oh, I guess I just didn't get much sleep last night. What the? I mean, there's nobody home. She's not home. She's at her mom's. Hello? Somebody up there? If you're up there, you better announce your damn self. You better announce your damn self. Alright, for any of y'all who don't believe that this is real, and I'm just making it up, I'm about to prove it to you. There's nothing up here. There's nothing up here. Debunk some of y'all's theories about what's going on here. We'll start with this here. We got about 17 inches. 17-inch wide ladder. And my fat ass is supposed to have shimmied up that while somebody else came down at the same time. Don't think so. Nice try. Also, you can hear how much noise this ladder makes. If I had got up here and then somebody came down, you would have heard it. Theory number 15. That thing right there. I'm gonna get my ass over to it. That is not something somebody can fit in. Hang on. Let me measure it for you. Measure it for good measure. Hang on, dang it. Bear with me now. Alright, where we go? Let's see. What do we got? 15 inches. 15 inches. And y'all think somebody was hiding behind that thing. What tiny human being did I have up here? You can't hide in there. You can't hide in there. That thing goes down behind the daggone fireplace or next to it, whatever. There was not anybody hiding behind it. And y'all saying that there was somebody right behind me. I was right here. I was right here, spinning around as fast as I could to show you there wasn't nobody behind me. If there had been somebody behind me, they'd have fallen down to the garage. And we'd be having a big hospital bill right now, if not worse. And then the last theory, I'm going to have to go back downstairs to show you. So see you in a minute. And no, I don't believe it's orbs. I believe it's dust because it's an attic. I think I just heard it. I think I heard it. I just got on my freaking live like 20 minutes ago. I think I might have heard it, y'all. Hang on. I don't know. Is that freaking fucking string moving? I don't hear it, damn. I don't hear it. It's moving. That string is moving. I swear to God, I heard it. All right. Oh. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's just block that. Okay. If you weren't on my live the other night, I think I did that. I think I caused the light bulb situation. I think I caused like an electrical issue because I backed into the light bulb 2 freaking times and broke the light bulb, and I had to replace it. It happened twice, and I might have like knocked a wire loose, and that's probably why the light is blinking. It's got to be why. But I just fucking heard it.
Pito, no temas.
Woke up at about 3 o'clock in the morning to this. Sounded like it was coming from above us. At first, at least. It stopped for a little while. We tried to go back to sleep. Then it started sounding like it was outside of our bedroom, in the backyard. Like somebody was banging against the side of the house.